User variables allow you to create customized presentation values that can be referenced later within your presentation en masse, and also adjusted later from events in your presentation or by user input. The value of the user variable will define an initial setting, but that variable can be adjusted at any time throughout the presentation by using the setVariable command. For instance, we may have a multiple screen presentation and an initial value set for a sync command that is used to tell a secondary screen what video to play at a certain point. But by creating this as a user variable first, we can change the value of that sync command on the fly, based on the viewer's response or input, reactively telling the other screen to play something different. Or we could create a volume variable for our presentation that will not only set a consistent volume for all media to inherit, but we can also allow that volume to be adjustable by using the setVariable command. Finally, the resetVariable command can be used at any point to reset the variable back to its initial presentation state. User variables can be used in the following commands. As an example, let's create a volume variable for our project. First, create a user variable for volume. Set its initial state to 50. All files will now by default play at a volume level of 50. Now, to let the user control this variable, we can create 4 levels of volume on the home screen. In this example, we have a touch screen, so we'll use a touch event for our controls. But really, we could use any event in our presentation. Within the event, we'll go to the Advanced section and set up our setVariable command. We'll assign a setVariable command to each of the touch zones and an ascending volume value of 25, 50, 75, and 100. And that's it. We've created a user variable and used it for volume control. It's also important to note that the values last assigned to user variables remain set when the BrightSign player reboots.